hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Hotter. Some of people, man, big up in yourself. You understand? Don't know the thing going on, people. And you link there, people. So right about now, people, boy, me I tell you, be sad things are going on right now. You understand? Because right now, people, them see another storm and it's way here. So I be things, people. So you don't know the thing. We still have to do the attack because we don't know what go on. You know? Anytime you see a storm coming, people, we don't know what go happen. You understand? Because sometimes there's a storm come this way and it come that way. Sometimes, you know, storm change its course and the thing can't go on. So we just have to just pray. And you know what I mean? Hope for the best. So well, right now, people, what me I go really talk about now, see, is this spike of COVID-19 in Jamaica in a one day, people, where I cause a bag of things right now at Jamaica. You get me? I say, I cause a bag of something. We make Android start hot him. You get me? And we make other members of parliament, even upon the opposition side now, I crawl out and attack out and I say this and I say that. Well, people, here we are going now. And this is where Jamaican people need to wise up and have sense. See? I have watching this thing where I go on in this campaign and watching the both side of them, that are the JLP and the PNP, you know. And a bag of thing me see I go on in the people, you understand? A bag of something where me see MP come like regular people now, and that's all about election, going around, touching everybody hand, doing this, doing that, you know what I mean? Like there's a celebration with people, and a bag of something, me see it a go on, me I watch it, you know what I mean? And that's why I call this thing politics and say, yo, people now wise up, people still now learn. And I'm telling you these people, see, imagine there's a pandemic going on. You know what I mean? Where there's a virus in Jamaica, which is not deadly like how people that think. You get me? I say, yeah, but it have effect where it cause sickness and then something, the weakness and whole heap of something behind it. You get me? And you see, oh, people turning out for this election now, people. You see it? Look on the previous election, you know. Back in 2016. You know so much people are running politics, you know. But now you see what people, the big, the whole, the dumb, the blind, the sick, the dumb, the 1 foot, the 2 foot, the 3 foot. Everybody are running it down now. See? And in the end, people, and that's why I tell you, say, this thing is really politics. You understand? This is really politics. Because look into the whole thing now, people. See? Just look into the whole thing. And look. You come Saboom now, you know. And you did a rundown with the people like you and them are the same. See? Because you want to go in a power. And when you do win your seat, only a few of you are going to member, you know. You know, same people when I run down with it, you know. I see them all buy some man, some buckle of rum and them a drink and a dance and a party, people. I remember this. When them going up, drink rum again, no? Eh? Drink rum. Politics. I want to see them when I go there with the hand cat. I'm going to tell you this how Jamaica people this, you know. I'm not telling nobody who for vote. Whether you want to vote for show or you want to vote for pow. See? But me I going to tell you this. And nobody not tell me nothing about no government this and who which government good and which government bad. Because you see the two of them are the same thing, people. I'm being honest, are the same thing them. See? And me see whole heap of wickedness go on to poor people. And the Andrew government people. Whole heap of wickedness. I'm not afraid to talk. So nobody not come pick the side boss say, yo, no wickedness no go on. A whole heap of crueltyness me say go on. And the Andrew government with poor people. And when PNP in a power, me say whole heap of wickedness and crueltyness go on same way. So all you gotta tell me say there's a difference between them with poor people. And the same thing them are politics. See? Poor people need to wise up. You know what I mean? You have to push out there and help on yourself, and the politician do it for you. And you have to push out there because in the end they are elected as politician, as prime minister, whatever, and they have to work to ensure so we have a better country, ensure we have a better life. See, just like how they can reach and drive the biggest car and build the big mansion, them people. Me not say we have ability, but at least we can have a roof over our head. Look how much people out there Jamaica they're willing to get piece of land, and look how much land they have up there where government have. How much land government have? Or you can't take some land, go cut up and give some people to go build a local house. When you see a man take big tractor and go push them down on the land. Or not go come tell man about politics. Me say when me did younger, me did fool. I used to run it down, people. See? Me not say no.
You don't have some MP who work in their constituency. I'm not going to say that you have some good MPs at Jamaica. Me not going to tell no lie people. But you see, with the two government them, me see all for wickedness go on people. And I understand. And one of the worst things is when you have a government when you stop sell out with things them at Jamaica. That's one of the worst thing. See? People, me are not fool, you know. See, but you have some people who have this thing in the inside and then call him die-hearted. You don't need to cut out that thing there as Jamaican, but you die-hearted, this, die-hearted, that. See, if you not elect an MP, which nothing no wrong for you to do, and the MP no do no work, vote it out. Take it back out. No matter what no power or no show, no matter no PN or no JL. See, take it out, and that's what I'm trying to put now in the ear so you understand. When you vote for somebody, you don't vote for friendship. See, you don't vote for likes and favoritism. You don't vote for better for honor, family, who come up so and who can want better life. And if you see you not get that, what are you going to do? Eh? Looking at some community where some people tell me about this a PNP and this a JLP era. And when I'm looking at the community, the road dirty and road a big hole in there. Eh? Road when rain fall and water going at them, the road, you have 2-3 weeks it take before water can enjoy your people because it come like a pool in the road them, seeing? And a joke thing, you know. And you go, yes, you have some big PNP here and some JLP here. Come on, man. Eh? Don't let politicians trick with man. You know, come on, you need to wise up now, people. You need to get smarter now. You don't need to vote for better. Zin? Because look at these people. The spike of this COVID thing, you know. And I see where so much people per motorcade, with the politician with the crowd. And them I say 6 feet apart. Where is the 6 feet apart? And they still touch people. They're not business with you know. Zin? Now you hear this go on now. There are we suspending motorcade. So I couldn't even ban that before because they know so they something that did go on. Eh? And nobody not tell me nothing but say this bugger crowd not because even one somebody in there infected and once somebody can infect a lot to all this COVID thing. Stay. Zane, picture this. Them big old coaster bus when I say ram up and full up of people. People are there on the top of you a drive with much people there. You know things say? Eh? Them just sit there right, them just sit there safe. Zane? So a whole heap of things go on down a yard during this election there should go on people. By right there shouldn't even be an election right now, you know. There shouldn't even be because Jamaica set away people and they, yo, people, you know, wise up. You know, get smarter. Think about if these politicians love honor, you understand, or just because they want to go in a power. Think about it, people. Don't be fool. I used to be the president, you know, of an organization, people. And don't think so when you elected as an MP, as a president, you know, bring lot of work to you, know, people, and lot of, you know what I mean, lot of push and lot of this and cause they expect you to work. See? So nobody believe so no man will have money. And go just want go in at them something if you not benefit big from it and gain some. When I see a top man like a top lawyer, a rich businessman, see? A rich doctor, come some woman want go in a politics and go turn MP. If he say just want to turn MP because he love the people, man, because of this and him know say him a cut through struggle and he want come on, man. And more money you want in your pocket. So you know better smart. And I can't tell you know, if they did really care about you know, it would have reached a level here. The Prime Minister of Jamaica would have suspended this thing long time. But they motorcade and then campaign this and then campaign that. Them they should go on. Them they should never start. You get me? But people, as me tell you now, coming September the 3rd, me not tell you no say yo, you have to go vote for Pow, you have to go vote for Show. But make sure you're voting for a difference in your life and for your future. Remember, you know, it takes 4 years before you can make that vote there again. See? So think about it, people. 4 years of your life, you know. Think about that 4 years there. Look into the government, them people, and see if the work what them do, if you think the progress will continue. Look into it, or if you want a difference. Don't make them trick you with all the promises and anything. You understand? Don't let them do that. Huh? No, I'm not sure, you know, to be honest, because somebody gone inside here, so you can't check it. Eh? No problem. Yeah, people, so, yeah, man, so, them say me a block them way because they want to use the ATM, so, let them go use the ATM, you understand? Because, you know, I don't like trouble, you know, I don't like problem. I just drive, I ever go back around. Cause New Link is a youth. We don't love trouble and we don't love problem. But all me as a people, see? When you go at the poll and go for better on your life. See? Make sure you don't do that. Just go for better. You get me? Don't go to the poll because of a friend, because of the buckle of rum, and because of favoritism. Don't go to the poll for that reason. See? Go for better for own life. So you don't know the thing of people. I just love, and respect, and just stay blessed, and I just more attack and be good and be great. Remember to do subscribe. Zane, peace out. Attack them.